Yes, good evening. So, this is a video that will say good luck to all the marriage families this incoming September 8, 11, and 15 here in the Philippines. So, we all know already the topic of the race. In day 1, we have the commercial law, political law, and day 2, we have the civil law and labor law. And day 3, we have criminal law and revival. So I'm in bar operations and I'm serving those who are taking the bar exam. So I hope and pray that you will bring for good and will be included in the cutoff for the two lawyers this incoming January 24, 2025 OTK. Thank you, good day, good night,